Good morning, boys. We out here at Starbucks right now. He's already drained his whole drink, but it's all ice.
Yeah.
What's up with that, dude? I saw an Evo over there, but he's not coming back around. We're gonna go buy him a new car today.
What's up with the Starbucks records, bro? My name's not fucking Carla.
Yo, it's Carla. Carla? Civic SI? There's the Evo. I found you.
Yeah, we're about to go there right now.
There's mine. Alrighty, we have made it to Costco. Thomas is out here too. We're gonna check out this RSX. Should be coming around the corner here in a second, so. We found it.
Fuck. What do I do, Alex?
Park. Fucking idiot. Alright, here she is. Wow, this thing's looking pretty stock. Oh, there's a little bit of paint damage here and stuff. So it's just a little. Rest in peace, the other hatch. The glass broke and stuff, so nice. Alrighty.
So that's what sucks about them, because they're glass on the edge, so.
Yeah, they'll shatter real easily. Yeah.
Luckily there's tint on it, so. It's like in one big chunk.
Exterior can always look good. The inside, all of it.
Interior, some rips in here, a little bit of that, and everything else seems fairly clean, pretty stock. Oh, a little bit of grinding going into reverse there. No power steering. Gotta crank that, get a nice arm workout in. Alright, Carla's gonna go for a test drive here in this RSX. It's pretty stock looking, definitely. Get some good revs in there. See what's up, bang red line and see if everything's tight and good. But yeah. You can go this way. Yeah, just go around. More turning. Yeah, there you go. Power steering, that sucks. What do you think?
I mean, besides the body, the engine's kind of all you really want.
Yeah, honestly, so. I mean, it looks pretty tight to me, but we'll see what happens when he comes back.
Dude, you look so tiny in the car.
What? I look huge, right?
Is it coming out? Or is it just
It's just spinning, I think. Alrighty, he's bought the car. I gotta drive it home now. Gotta love these Hondas with no power steering. Ooh, that sounds really rough. I don't know. Oh god. Well, it's his project, so.
Good luck with the power steering. Hey, crack V-tape.
Okay.
It's nice.
Will do.
Alright. Take care. Dude, isn't that the same transmission as your Accord?
Yes.
Checked all the gears.
All good?
Notchy,
all right.
Everything's fine. Reverse is smooth to get into as well.
Dude, it literally feels like I'm driving my Accord again. Fifth doesn't want to go in.
Is it?
There it is.
6. That's reverse.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's all good.
Other than that, dude, it's fine.
Yeah.
Take care. You definitely put in the power steering. We could definitely.
Oh, if it's not too hard, yeah. So I've always had a J series. Oh yeah, that power steering's fucking awful. This thing's actually pretty nice. The power gets on super, super low. I gotta crack VTEC, but I don't know if I can steer with this thing while I'm cracking VTEC, but clutch is super easy. I actually really kind of enjoy this. I might have to steal this from Carlo once he gets the power steering back in there. This is kind of nice. So a couple things that I'd probably do for my own car here if I bought this personally, probably get springs and then, or coils definitely, and then something else I want to do is like wheels. That'd be sweet. But yeah. Honestly, guys, this feels eerily similar to my Accord, and I'm starting to wish I had it now. But the K series actually feels like it gets up and goes a little bit better than the J series, which is kind of odd to me. Yeah, I don't know. I might be a K series fanboy now. This is pretty sweet. No big. We just pulling up to the mansion. What the fuck? What the hell is this, man? Oh, second gear. There we go. First gear up this hill. What the fuck? Oh God.
Honda boy.
Oh no. It's the Honda sounds. Gotta love that. Yo,
Dude, just wait till-
dude, what the jet engine, bro?
Ears out. So he was sanding it down, and he found a cross underneath.
Oh, this
And
is
he-
like a
Ambulance.
ambulance.
And
Yeah.
he found out, so he just painted
That's
it
gangster.
and
Oh,
named it
ain't
the
no
Heart
way.
Attack Delivery.
What's it?
Oh, that's cool.
Yo, check out
The little rats, bro. That's kind of sick, actually. Frankenstein. This paint, crazy. That's sweet. They're bagged?
They're both bagged. You can see the compressors back there.
Oh my God. That's wild. What the hell? That's so sick. This paint is immaculate, though.
And then they go,
Whoa.
troll. Yeah, bro, he's a troll.
Dude, just wait till Carlo sees this.
So he has it when people come up. They're like, "Are you serious? This actually runs the car?" And then
No, it should
they're
be a
like-
Honda.
And then they're in the back and like, "What the fuck?"
It should be like a pole. It should be like the pole.
It is
lawnmower.
pole. It is a pole.
Oh, ain't no
I mean,
way.
you're right.
It's a
It's a
boat.
lawnmower,
It's
bro.
a boat motor, bro.
Oh, okay.
That's
Onboard
legit.
boat motor.
That's so sick. What the fuck?
Cool.
Yeah, wait till you hear this thing start, dude. This is gonna be fucking sweet.
Oh,
Really?
God.
It fucking make your ears bleed, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
I
sure
bet.
it does. I'm sure it does.
It's fucking fully custom.
Oh, Jesus, man. Hand painted?
All hand painted.
With a brush.
brush that shit off.
Even a Valtronic exhaust on this thing.
Yeah, dude.
God damn, dude. That's so sick.
Bags underneath and everything.
Oh, this is like you can go road trip in this thing.
I know,
Put the
dude.
vest back here.
Oh, man. That
you
is
know what goes back on here
slick.
in the back.
It's got his little compressor and battery.
Get rustling and tussling back there, buddy. Got the camping chairs and everything. Can you slide like a nice mattress up in there and just?
I'm assuming so. I think you could put like a twin in there, you know?
Oh heck yeah!
This is what they should have made those camper vans out of. Honestly.
Honestly, that's what I'm saying, dude. In Iceland.
You see that, Uncle Garrett?
What's up, bud?
I didn't say hi to him.
Oh, you didn't do it this time.
I blew it up.
We'll blow it up, yo.
With or without?
Without.
Oh no. Uh-oh. That's a real treat. Just yeet it off. It's all
You
good.
gotta start like.
I'm about to get scared.
It's not that bad.
Oh, okay. Thomas is about to go deaf.
Am I not on that? How far away should it be?
I stood right here.
Yeah,
I was
we
like,
both right
fuck.
it's time for the next one. What's up? Okay.
Wait, somebody had the same jacket.
That's gnarly. Oh, that's way quieter. That's sweet. I like that.
And then now, back to the
Nice. He's going on the zip line. Where does it go to? Oh, it goes. Nah, you good. Send it. Send it. Yeah. You're not 400. Just jump. Just send it. Go.
Actually, it's not that bad.
How was it? Was it good?
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Yeah,
I'll hit again.
I thought it was a little faster.
Every time.
Like, when you go slow, you're like, oh, okay, this is